things that you find are beyond your control. I love you and you're beautiful. You write your own songs. What if the right part of leaving turned out to be wrong? If I could kiss you now, oh, I'd kiss you now again and again, till I don't know where I begin and where you end. Thought I fell in love the other day with an old friend of mine. I was running kisses down every inch of her spine. We had the roof down, the sun came shining in. The black fact is that I was thinking of you. If I could kiss you now, kiss you now again and again, till I don't know where I begin and where you end. I slept in the sun the other day. I thought I was fine. Everything seemed perfect till I had you on my mind. I tried to love you, I did all that I could. I wish that the bad now finally turned into good. If I could kiss you now, oh, I'd kiss you now again and again, till I don't know where I begin and where you end. If I could kiss you now, if I could kiss you now, if I could kiss you now, oh, where you end is where I begin. Oh, where you end, oh, where you end, oh, where you end.
knocking at your door with them pistols. Little bitch niggas, you ain't ready for war. My enemies is running scared, screaming cracks back. On my nigga, take that. Niggas tryna hate crack, I'm bringing 88 back. We stay strapped, gunning for cowards. Fuck them nines, man, we coming with choppers like black that, did that. That's the sound of them guns when we come and you run, cause you scared and you fear. Everything you heard about us, we murder cowards. I know you heard what the word of my niggas bow down. Yeah, This is the sound when we ride on the enemies. Don't be scared, I see you dancing in the corner, yo, Khaled. Yeah, this is the sound when we ride on the enemies. One time for my nigga Cool, 2 times for my nigga Dre. The whole MIA, I don't know what you tryna portray, but you don't wanna see them semi-spray going against Jose. It's not permitted, God forbid it. The way these choppers spit it, you're dropping minutes, and I don't know how you dare. Nigga, stop acting like a bitch, you scared. Nigga, listen here, and we ain't finished till your mama's in the church screaming why they took my son up off this earth. I know it hurts, and this is the sound when we ride. Niggas die when our crews collide. My enemies. Woo. Sing it, baby. Oh, come on. This is the sound when we ride on the enemies. Niggas, don't be scared. You can sing this shit too. This is the sound. This is the sound. This is the sound when we ride on the enemies. Cool and Dre on this one. Khaled, what's up, nigga? Oh, shout out my nigga Cooley. All my buddies and buddies with Gold T. We ride fast and furious. My nigga Shaka hit me up. I said, this is the sound when we ride them enemies. What? Nigga, get down, lay down. It's the realest click ever in the rap game. Sound when we ride. Joe Crack and motherfucking Dawn. Coming with the shit. It's on your ass, nigga.
This is the sound when we ride on
Sound. Yeah, yeah.
go out and play, yo. I was up in my room, I let the stereo blaze on Saturdays when kids go out and play. I was up in my room, I let the stereo